Hi guys, so I've already taught you a random class, and today I'm gonna give you some practice to strengthen your understanding or get familiar with the random class. So the first question, create a random day slash month. So let's say you need to create a day month, not including the year, just day and a month. So simple, just create the random object first. And then you create a day. So let's think about how many days are there in a month. So let's just say, just to be safe, since some have more than 28, but we do know that every month has 28 days. So we create a day, or oh, actually it's a different date. Okay, uh, let's just say um, I'm only creating a number or generating a number between 1 to 28. 1 to 28. So how do I do that? So I just pass 29, oh 28 actually, and it will create from 0 to 27, and then you add 1, and so you get a day. Actually it's the date, and now the month. We just use there's 12 months, so 12 plus 1. If I try to print this, and oops, that's an L Y O D. Okay, so if I run it, first is 24 slash 1, 6 6, 17 August, 15 July, 2nd September, 22nd December, 17 January. So that's all. And let's look at the second question. So create a random 4-digit password. So simple again, you just create the random class again, random object again, and then 4-digit means is 000 40 29999. So if I have let's say we just try to print this out, right? So what do? We create 4 digits, and then we just add them, we concatenate them, so and in a string. So the first digit is random dot next int, and you want from 0 to 10. Second digit, third digit, fourth digit. Now you get four random digits, and now you just try to print this by just adding them. So if I just add them right like this, what will I get is the sum of the 4 digits. I don't want the sum. I just want to print them out without adding. So if I try to print this, I'll get a single number, because maybe I'll get 0 here, 2 here, then 4 here, then I got 6 here. So it's adding everything and then printing out. But that's not what I want. That's not what I want. So what I will do, I will add double quote. Mm, let's try now. And yep, we're getting a 4 digits password. So let's look at the next question, the final question. Create a random 4 small letter password. So I want AA, BA, or maybe ZZ, BC, anything. So how do I do that? There's no method or code in a random class that you can use that's predefined to create or generate an alphabet. So this is where you use ASCII. So if you guys don't know what's an ASCII, let me explain briefly. So ASCII, right? Okay. ASCII is the way that computer represents numbers. So not only numbers but all the alphabets. Sorry, represents alphabets. Um, so let's say let's say this is a computer and this is the keyboard, right? And here me sitting on my okay, maybe I'm standing and then I press a key and maybe I press A. So what will be sent through this? Do you think A will actually go? Well, no. A wire can only carry electric signals. So what it will actually carry is a binary sequence. Binary sequence. So every single alphabet in this keyboard on your keyboard is actually represented by 8 bits. So A might be represented by 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0, 8 bits, and B might be 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0, and each be unique. And this is how your computer identify the alphabet. It doesn't read A or B, it reads 1 0 0 1 1 0 0. So you can actually change this to a decimal. This is binary, and you can change this to decimal actually. And I'm not really sure what's the decimal form, but you can actually change it to decimal. And you can use this decimal value to print out a character in your console. So what do I mean by that? See, I know I haven't talked about casting, but let's just say I wanna print the alphabet A. If I just try to print it, I will get A. No worries. But if I try to cast it, or if I try to change it to an integer, because as I told you, each alphabet is represented by a binary form. So A might be 100 something, but it will be 8 bits. And you can change the 8 bits to a decimal form, a number that we use in everyday life. So to see what's the number, you just explicitly change the character to an integer or the decimal. So if I try to print down, I will get a number. So if you try to change this to binary, you will get something, and that is how A is represented in computer. So what's the point of me telling you about this? So you can actually create an integer and then change it to a character. So now you know that A is 97. So what's Z? Let's see. So Z, well, obviously it will be plus 26. Let's just see. So it's 122. So what you have to do is you need to create a value from 97 to 122. You need to generate a number in this range and then change it to a character. Let's see how we can do that. So character, first character 1 equals to random dot next int, so 122, right? So what do we do? Okay, this starts from 97, right? So what you can do is you take 122 and then you subtract 97. Actually, I have no idea. Let's do the maths. 122 minus 7, you get I'm terrible at maths. Okay, get 25. Yep. So you put here 26. Why? Then you will get 0 to 25. Oh, by the way, I think 97 should come first, and then 122. So by writing this, you can get 0 to 25. On another way to think about is the value you pass here is the value of how many numbers you can generate from the range. So here in this alphabets, there's 26 alphabets, so you can generate 26, and then you add the number that it starts with. So it's 97, so you just add 97 and then explicitly change it to char, and that is all. Then if I try to print it, char 1 plus with char 2, char 3 plus char 4. Oops, so we didn't get, oh, by the way, you need to add a double quote 2, because when you just add characters, it will think as those are numbers. So add those things, then if you try to run it, and yep, you get a random for letters GELRR, SEFS, NKKZ, So that's all. If you can do it without referring to my code, then you have mastered the random class. Congrats and thank you.